Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Himax just reported earnings today and I will give my honest opinion about it and where I see this stock going into the future. If you're new to the channel, my name is Frizo. I show my complete portfolio with real money every video. I like to do analysis on stocks and try to teach you everything that I learn. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to get more of these videos. Let's jump right in. Himax reported fourth quarter results today. At the market opening, the stock directly fell down 17%. Don't make the mistake to sell something because it is down. Go check what's changed, reassess and make your decision. When we go over the earnings, you will see that this is ridiculous. Unfortunately, I had no money ready, so I could only buy one additional share. Good reminder to always have cash ready. By now the stock is already climbing up. Institutions are probably buying up the sold shares of scared retail investors. The revenues are at upper end of the guidance. Gross margins and earnings per share both beat guidance. All three also reached all-time highs. This was the best quarter ever for Himax. Overall, they exceeded guidance that they gave last quarter. At first sight, this looks really good. One case I can make for the drop in share price is the weaker guidance for Q1 2022. Himax expects the revenue to decrease 5% to 9% and expects gross margins to be between 46% to 48%. Which is lower than this quarter. But I got good news for you. This was the worst news. Himax expects the automotive sector to be the #1 sales contributor starting in 2022. They target to double automotive sales again in 2022. They already doubled their sales in 2021. This is just insane. The stock drops after hearing this. Very questionable. We are not finished yet. Since more big tech companies want to go into the Metaverse, Himax is preparing for this. They are building key optical technologies to enable the Metaverse. Remember, Himax has big customers like Google, Microsoft and Amazon. Even the first words of the CEO are positive going into next year. He says, "We are upbeat about our year ahead growth prospects, backed by a few product areas, notably the automotive and ultra-low power AI image sensing businesses, which we feel confident will stay strong regardless of the macroeconomic concerns. We anticipate these two products, both with good gross margins, will outgrow our product lines in 2022. As the contribution of automotive revenue grows, it will better position our product mix in terms of both profit margin and business visibility." Then he goes on, looking ahead into 2022, backed by more secured foundry capacity than last year and an advanced product portfolio, we are well positioned to continue to grow our top line and will continue to work towards maintaining a high gross margin, one of our major long-term business goals, wherein we anticipate further revenue and profit growth into 2022. Overall, what do we got? Less supply chain issues, higher gross margins, additional growth segments, and strong confidence in 2022. All this makes the stock fall 17%. If you say this to someone, who would believe you? The stock is currently trading at a PE of 3.5 to 4. When you got more profitability growth ahead, I mean, if this stock stays at these levels, I will be buying more very soon. 2021 has been a big growth year for Himax with growth of more than 74% compared to 2020. Small and medium-sized display drivers posted the highest growth of 86% year over year. The company saw extraordinary business momentum, particularly in tablet and automotive areas, with sales up more than 110% for automotive. After Q4, Himax has now $364 million in cash. They got additional cash from customers for the purpose of securing their long-term chip supply. But on the other hand, Himax has also made payments to secure its long-term foundry capacity. The cash pile is growing and will make Himax balance sheet stronger and stronger. Also interesting is that Himax is stacking inventories amidst tight foundry capacity where demand still far outpaces supply, so they will keep pursue an aggressive inventory build-up strategy. Because of this, they can deliver enough chips to their customers. While pricing has stabilized recently on both the foundry and the customer side, the company guided for a modest sequential decline in gross margin for the first quarter due to a couple of factors. First, company's cost of goods sold this quarter represent pricing from the previous quarter when foundries were still raising their prices. Second, in the fourth quarter, the company benefited from expedited orders from customers who paid a premium, and it has since seen a decrease in such orders during Q1. So customers that wanted their product sooner paid a premium and Himax made more money on them. Q4 has also the most sales because it's holiday season and people spend more money, so a decrease in Q1 is not abnormal at all. Himax goes on in saying that guidance is still better than their normal off-season sales. In Taiwan there is Lunar New Year season in Q1, so there is also fewer working days. Last thing I want to take a quick look at is the Metaverse. Himax says that it is still years away from mass production, but they want to be at the forefront of these key technologies. And they plan to do this with tech industry's leading players. So all by all, this is very interesting and important to follow up. This can be another growth segment for Himax in the following years. Since last video I have been adding additional shares, we will pick up some more sooner or later. Small caps have been performing better lately, and Himax stock price can benefit from this. The low PE is too attractive to let this company slip away. Let me know what your plan is in the comment section below. This was everything for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section or send me an email. Below the video you can find a link to Book0 when you can get a free share when you top up your account. Take care and see you in the next video.